and Dad, Mario and his friends invited me to go to Great Wolf Lodge with them. Can I go? Absolutely not, Nano. You are supposed to be grounded, so you may not go. What? Why can't I go? Classic Caillou was allowed to go to the Kalahari Resort with Mario and his friends when he was grounded. So why can't I go?
Well, when you put it like that, I guess you may go.
Yeah. Thank you so much, Mom and Dad. You won't regret this. Hello, Nano. It's Andy Mario. Glad you could make it. Thank you, Mario. Can we head to the resort now? Yeah, sure. Nano, I'd like you to meet Luigi, Peach, Daisy, Rosalina, Yoshi, Wario, Waluigi, Toad, Toadette, and Birdo. So Nano, what would you like to do first? I would like to go to the water park. Excellent choice. Let's go. Oh boy, let's slide. What the heck? These two people are stuck on the water slide. I am gonna push them off. That was so much fun. Nano, did you push Sonic the Hedgehog and Amy Rose off of the water slide? Well, yes I did because they were stuck and I wanted to get to the bottom of the slide. Nano, how dare you push Sonic and Amy off the water slide? You are lucky they didn't die, but they will have to be in the hospital for weeks. That's it. You just received your first strike, and once you get 5 strikes, we will be going home. Do you understand? Yes, Mario. Sorry, Mario. Hey, Toadette, can I have a ride on the surf simulator?
Not right now, Nano. I am still on it, and it is called the Wolf Fighter Wipeout.
No. Get off that right now and let me on it or I will push you off.
No, Nano. You need to wait your turn. Nano, how dare you push Toadette off the Wolf Fighter Wipeout? That's it. You have just received your second strike. 3 more, and we're going home. Now get off the Wolf Fighter Wipeout.
Fine. Attention everyone. A movie will be playing in here today. The movie will be the Emoji Movie.
Yay, I love the Emoji Movie. I can't wait to watch.
Ugh, I don't want to watch the Emoji Movie. That movie is not a good movie to watch. What should I do to stop the movie from playing? I know. I will throw a rock at the giant TV screen. Ha 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 ha. Nano, how dare you throw a rock at the giant TV screen and make it so we can't watch the Emoji Movie? We were looking forward to watching it. I agree with Mario.
Us 2.
Us 3. Us 4.
Of 5. Oh, and you just received your third strike. 2 more, and we are going home. Now go back to the hotel room. Fine. Ugh, this vacation isn't going well. All that is happening is me getting in trouble. Maybe I should watch some Guardians of Electro-Man headquarters. Guardians of Electro-Man headquarters. So Nano, what would you like for breakfast? I would like 100 billion brownies. Nano, how dare you order 100 billion brownies? You can't eat that much. That's it. You just received your 4th strike. 1 more and we are going home. Fine. I will just have 1 brownie. I am going to go to the arcade.
Yeah. I won 1,000 tickets. I am gonna play another game to win more tickets.
Okay. I have 3 more shots to win a buttload of tickets. Let's throw the ball. Rats. Better try again. GRRRRRRRR. If this ball does not make it in, I will be so mad. Yes. And this machine is broken. GRRRRRRR. I'm so mad. Get out of here. Attention everyone. There is a fire in the building. Everyone evacuate immediately. Nano, get on the bus right freaking now. You are in so much trouble, mister. Oh my freaking gosh, Nano. Are you serious right now? We cannot believe you blew up the Great Wolf Lodge Resort. I agree with Mario. What you did was so insane.
You are such a jerk.
We were looking forward to having fun, but no, you had to ruin it.
We all are very mad at you.
We wish we never invited you here.
You are a selfish little brat. You are no longer welcome to come with any of us to anywhere ever again.
When we get to the airport, I will call your mom. Now sit there and don't talk to us until we get to the airport. Wow.